Yes, I noticed actually one of the issue was that the amount of credits were low, and even after reset, turns out it is only the limit. Okay, so it's kind of like downgrade, but this is more than enough for designing the landing page, right? So what I can do right now is I can basically build that password generator landing page, right, that we discussed earlier. So to add the prompt, what I will do is I will say something like build a password generator landing page, and also an ability to choose number of characters, right, then symbols, to pronouns, then secure, add some of the checkboxes while generating the password, right? So the approach here is basically choosing the security, right? So I will have like a bunch of options or something to checkbox type, right? And I will see create card interface like box, right, in which final output we can copy using button, also use restart button, and finally close button to close this card and go back to landing page explaining password generator, right? Now what I can do is I can say use as less credits as possible and avoid using that database, right, and cloud features as well. Can even try and reduce this into, say, optimized query as such if you want to. That would also work, right? So if I optimize this, I will say something like design clean password generator tool landing page, right? That part optimized, I suppose, with strength meter and also notification, character map, etc. So create card interface like box where we have final output which we can copy using button, also use restart button, and finally close button to close this card and go back to landing page explaining password generator, right? So this we can push for the design. Now I made this particular final line so that it doesn't use excessive credits, because already we are on limited number of credits per day, right? So they kind of have kept us on limit, right? So once this is sent for design, it should hopefully build something in less amount of credits, right? Let's see what it thinks over this. So thinking part, I am waiting for the output actually, what it is thinking right now. So vision is same as what we asked, landing page with tool description, custom option like length, character types, then strength meter, so how long the password is, that would also help. Then finally card interface, copy button, restart, close. Okay, so that should work as well. Now the design part, the colors red, amber and emerald. Okay, so this particular you can make changes, and for that you can use this edit button actually. Now only thing I'm concerned about is whether I can export this, considering that part is in this code button, and from there I can simply get the zip. Alternatively, I can also send this code to GitHub and sync it over there, and later fetch again from tool like Cursor or Kiro. That also works. Okay, so our goal is basically creating the most simple interface, and as you can see, it is making use of simple index file. It has finished its building. It will load the interface. Right, now it is loading, so the preview is gone. Can hide the sidebar once it loads, and as you can see, say secure password generator, and it will show you the features. Now what I can do, I can click on generate password. Now here you see this is the card I was referring to, and here you can see password length C16, then uppercase, lowercase, symbols, numbers, and here as you can see I can copy this particular password and also reload. Right, so the thing about starting with characters or later go on to symbol, we can design that part as well, so that we can easily at least pronounce the initial few letters in it, right? So that we can do with few prompts as well. Here you can see all the credits are used, and it seems we ran out of credits, but despite that it seems our project was completed. Can simply generate, and if I want to reload I can do so. Right, so all of these are strong passwords. I can copy this. If I open online notepad, I can most likely get this. So this copy function also works, right? Okay, so this works. Can choose the length as well. Again reload for 12 characters, still the strong. So this is made using Lovable, and this is single line ending page with password generator capability.